Fun with Kitty and Lou.
Oh, hi, Frank. How are you today? What? You want me to look at something? What is it? But where? Are you tricking me? I don't see anything. Oh my gosh, shingles!
Walking with my feet. Am I? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? Hey! Someone's playing my tree. Hi, Delvanius.
Oh, hi, Lou. I was just trying out your tree.
Oh, yeah. I heard you.
That okay? You don't mind, do you?
Of course not. Well, I don't mind. Why would I mind?
Oh, Lou. Lou!
That's my tree, and you didn't even ask.
Oh, no. Oh, dear.
I'm good at sharing, I am. Everyone knows I'm good at sharing. But my tree, well, that's different.
Now I feel terrible. I hurt your feelings.
Well, that's okay. You didn't mean to.
Oh, Lou.
I don't know what happened. Everyone always says I'm a good sharer.
You are.
It's my fault. You were having fun, and I ruined it.
No, it's my fault. I ruined your fun.
No, you didn't. I ruined your fun.
Oh, Lulu. This is just awful.
I agree.
I feel terrible.
Me too.
We need to cheer ourselves up somehow.
What about some drumming? Woohoo! Woohoo! Go, Kitty, go!
Hoo-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. Wah wah woo and a diddly-doo. Hoo-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. Humma humma shoo shoo hallelujah. Hoo-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. Hoo-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. Yeah!
Delvanius! Come on, taste me! Delvanius!
Oh, here I come!
Hey, want to see something?
What?
Come on.
I don't see anything.
You have to be in just the right spot.
Where?
Over here. Closer.
It's just some leaves. Oh, wow! It's us! Oh, Kitty. You are so artistic.
Am I?
Uh-huh, and yes.